Take a ride in the 2021 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, remote trunk release, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.